Annulus Adaptometer, the dark adaptation bleaching test. Because the endpoint target is a bullseye, the test is referred to as the BEST, Bullseye Stress Test. Key to success is the bullseye endpoint. All new patients take the tutorial.
The bullseye target has a bright ring and a changing center. When the center and the ring become equally bright, touch the screen.
Each eye is tested twice, OD, then OS. Wait 5 minutes, OS, then OD. Cover the eye not being tested. The patient always watches the 30-second stimulus. The endpoint, when the center and ring are equally bright.
Center and ring are equally bright, touch the screen. What number do you see? Touch the screen to continue.
The same procedure is done for the left eye.
Watch the numbers. Watch the center. When the center and ring are equally bright, touch the screen. What number do you see? Touch the screen to continue.